Alright, I got the water off. This thing has to be... I'm not a big fan of this handle. She's leaking. It's a Symmons. I can even get it off. I don't know if I can even get it off of here. Fucking junk. There it is. Floating in a flipping wind here. Flopping in the wind. Wasn't even in there. Wasn't even in there. Must be metric. There's the size I need right there. And hopefully it comes off. Water's off. Wow. She definitely needs a new one. And the seats don't look too bad. I don't know if I even want to play around with that fucking thing. Put the window open. I don't think I want to play with the seats. I might just put another cartridge in there and leave the seats alone. I don't know if I could even get the seats out. I'll put another cartridge in there. Just complaining about the hot water when it gets so hot too. The thing's all the way out. Sometimes these cartridges are a problem. They're much better. These gaskets are usually okay. Somebody put a different type of handle on here. There's a leaker. This is a compression valve, so it's got a always reinventing the wheel. Gotta reinvent the wheel. Reinvent the wheel. Oh, the handle's broken. See, the handle's cracked. I gotta put something different in there. The dog is trying to kill me. I had to get a different handle. It's broken. Can't have that. It's a better handle anyway. There's a leaker. That other one might have been a handle issue. Put a new thing in it anyway. I'll try that. It's busted.